Welcome to Daily Mindset Rebuild, where every word lifts your spirit, rebuilds your focus, and reminds you how powerful you truly are. Today, we're sharing 20 simple life lessons for success, love, and growth. Listen slowly, reflect deeply, and let each one guide your heart toward peace, purpose, and progress. Let's begin. Let's start with life itself. 1. Life is not about having everything, but about finding peace with what you have. Because peace makes what you have feel like enough, gratitude turns even the smallest things into pure joy. 2. Every sunrise is a new chance to start again. Yesterday is gone, today is fresh. Use each morning as a blank page to write a better story for yourself. 3. Life becomes beautiful when you stop comparing and start living. Everyone's journey is different, and that's okay. Be proud of where you are right now, and keep moving forward on your own unique path. 4. The more you give, the more life gives back to you. Kindness always finds its way home, sometimes in the most unexpected ways. What you share with the world multiplies in ways you can't always see. 5. Hard days teach you lessons that good days cannot. Remember that pain grows strength. Every storm you weather leaves behind a rainbow of wisdom. Now let's talk about success. 6. Success starts the moment you believe you can. Your mind is the first and most critical step toward achieving your dream. Confidence opens doors that fear tries to keep closed. 7. Small steps every day lead to big results one day. Just keep moving, even if it feels slow. Progress is progress, no matter the size. Consistency is key. 8. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now and make the time perfect. Action always beats waiting. The best time to begin was yesterday. The next best time is always right now. 9. Success is not luck. It's effort repeated daily. Discipline is the tool that builds your dreams into reality. Consistent hard work is what turns hope into tangible results. 10. Failures are not the end, they are a map to your next success. Every mistake shows you a better way forward. Learn from it, adjust your course, and try again, but this time stronger. Let's move on to the heart of it all. Love. 11. True love is not something you find. It is something you build with care and patience. It grows through unwavering trust and radical honesty. What you water with time will eventually bloom beautifully. 12. Love grows when you give more than you take. The act of giving creates deeper, more meaningful bonds. Real love is never selfish. It's a shared, generous experience. 13. A kind heart is far more beautiful than a perfect face. Physical beauty fades, but kindness stays with people forever. People will remember how you made them feel, not how you looked. 14. The best way to be loved is to love yourself first. Your self-love sets the standard and teaches others how to treat you. When you respect yourself, you attract real, genuine love. 15. Real love is standing by someone, not just when it's easy, but especially when it's hard. True hearts don't run when times get tough. Love proves its strength in the most difficult moments. Finally, let's talk about personal growth. 16. Growth begins the moment you stop making excuses. Take responsibility for your life, and your personal power returns. Real change starts when you face the truth. 17. Don't fear change. It's proof that you're growing. Change means you're moving forward, not standing still. Remember, the butterfly had to leave the comfort of the cocoon to finally fly. 18. Every mistake you make is a lesson in disguise. Learn from it, let it make you better, and keep improving. Wisdom comes from trying, not from being perfect. 19. You become stronger every single time you refuse to give up. Each struggle you face builds your inner muscle. The more you endure, the more unbreakable you become. 20. The best investment you can ever make is in becoming a better version of yourself. Personal growth pays the best interest. The more you improve yourself, the brighter and more fulfilling your life becomes. Every word you heard today is a seed. Plant it in your mind, water it with belief, and watch your life transform. Keep growing. Keep believing. Keep rebuilding your mindset every single day. This is Daily Mindset Rebuild, helping you rise one thought at a time. If this video inspired you today, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Daily Mindset Rebuild. Your support helps more people find peace, focus, and hope. Share this video with someone who needs a little light today. Thank you for watching. Stay inspired and stay growing.